Good morning, everybody. Today we are in American Fork, Utah. I'm just going to show you a little quick video on how to turn on and off your irrigation system. So, you basically are looking for two boxes here. So you have one box here and then another box here. So in the yard, it's usually just kind of right out on the sidewalk by the edge of the property, and that's what you look for. So you're looking for this in particular, and this is how American Fork Water City is set up. So they have a hose bib, a spigot right here in the ground, and then that right there is your stop and waste. So that is how you turn on and off your water. So that basically comes from the street into the stop and waste, and then a hose bib, and then it goes into your irrigation system with your ball valve right there and your secondary irrigation filter, and then goes into the sprinkler valves for the yard. So how you want to do that is you grab this key to shut the water off. You grab this T key, is what I call it, or curb key. Anyways, you can see it has a hook right there at the bottom, which hooks onto the top there, stop and waste. So you take this key, hook it onto that piece right there. You can see how I did that. See how it doesn't go this way? It only goes directional. Get that right there, try and do it one-handed, put it on there, and then you have your key and you're going to turn it. So right now it's in the off position, so you're going to turn it to the right. Actually, I'll turn it back to the left, and now the water is turned on. So you can see how it's running in line with the pipe. That means with this key, that means it's on, ready to go. But I want to turn that back off. It's on the top of the stop and waste. Now I turn this to the right. Now it's off, no longer running in line with the pipe. So that's how you can tell if your sprinkler system water is on or off. So yeah, water's turned off and we're ready to go do a repair. So thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. Please subscribe to the channel so you can get more helpful tips.